Hello everyone, welcome back to Lady P's Inspired Home. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you are one of my return subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. And today is Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And today we have a theme, and the theme is Blue Chinoiserie. What I'm going to share with you is my regular blue and white pieces that I collected over the years. And don't forget to go over to Anna's channel, which I will leave a link below in the description box to her channel and the playlist. Show them all some love and just keep watching to see what I have created. Okay, so here I'm going to show you my tablescape. I love the idea of today's tablescape being a no-spin tablescape. Everything that I use today I already had, and I'm going to show you or be able to remember where I got everything from, but I'm going to go over the tablescape with you. I'm going to use this head setting right here to go over it. And so the first item, well, let me just go over the runner. So the runner is a white damask print table runner. Pure white, very, very pretty. I decided not to use a tablecloth because I thought that the runner was pretty enough, and just to show the wood table. So the first thing I have on the runner is a gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful place mat. This is a glass, navy blue glass placemat that I purchased years ago from the gallery and never used it. It had to be before COVID, and I purchased that and I never used them. I just took them out the box today. So I'm using this. I thought it was really pretty, and I didn't put a charge on it because I didn't have a clear charger that really showed the beauty of the blue placemat. So I just didn't use a charger. I had a glass one, but the glass one had like the bubbles in it, and it didn't, you just saw the edge. And I just love the way this looked without the the charger. And so I have a Dollar Tree. Yes, a Dollar Tree gorgeous blue and white dinner plate. And then I have a white Dollar Tree beautiful salad plate. And on top of that, I just used a white napkin with a bow. Guess you count it. It's on like a clover leaf. Beautiful silver. I did the silver because the silver matched the silver on the navy blue glasses. So this is the place setting, and these are the flatware, and these is the glasses. They are navy blue, blue with a silver rim and a silver bling on it. And then I have also the navy blue glass, and I think it's called Prism on Z Gallery. So that matches. I never did get the candle holders, but I got the placemats and the coasters to match. So that is the place setting, and all of the place settings is alike. They are all alike, but I love this blue, and I just never got a chance to use it. And so over here, I just have these two blue and white, I don't know what you call them. They just, you know, just decor pieces, like a vase. I purchased from, believe it's Ross, years ago. Yes, it was Ross for $5.99. I looked at the other one. For $5.99, I purchased this from Ross. And I just put some florals on these little feathers that I had on top of my china closet in this vase. So I used those and bought those and put those down. Then I have these then they're like floral. You could put florals in it. It's like a pot, floral pot, but I put a LED candle in it. And I purchased these years ago from the thrift store. And I also got this from a thrift store too. And I also got the butter dish, the creamer. And I also got a butter dish from, I believe my sister gave me this. I think my sister that passed away gave me that butter dish. And so we got another flower pot over here, blue and white. And I just put a LED candle in there, round LED candle. And over here we have another one of those vases with the feather florals in it. So actually that is the Tablescape. I wanted to share with you where I got everything from, and I just love the way it turned out. It is absolutely beautiful, very beautiful. I just love the way it came out. And I'm gonna take you through let you go through the table one more time. I'm gonna cut the lights out so you can see how these LED lights, and these LED lights, I purchased these from Amazon year before last for Christmas. So I'm gonna cut off the lights and show you how pretty it looks. It looks so pretty. And these LED lights, they light up pretty good. Really, really pretty. Okay, so that ends this video. Please like and share. And please give me a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. I appreciate you all for watching. If you have not already done so, hit that subscribe button. Join Lady P's Inspired Home. I would love to have you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell that you be notified of all the uploads as they come out. Thank you so much again for watching. I love you all, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye-bye. Be blessed, everyone, to be a blessing.